The announcement to lay off workers comes in the wake of a downturn in passenger volumes, declining revenues and unstable fuel prices that are eating into the airline's margins. In the notice, KQ Managing Director Titus Nakuni says the move, which kicked off at the start of the month, was informed by the increase in headcount in 2011-2012, significant annual staff salary increments, and costly decisions driven by the collective bargaining agreement negotiations with the staff unions, driving labor costs to unsustainable levels. As part of the restructuring exercises, some positions will be declared redundant, and in some cases, the airline will have to outsource labor and services in some of the non-core functions of the airline due to the technical nature of the industry. There has been disquiet among some of the KQ staff over the past 1 month as to whether or not they would lose their jobs. Employees will be given an opportunity to opt for early retirement before the management begins the layoff process. Kenya Airways employment costs have more than doubled over the last 6 years, having risen from 6 billion shillings in 2007 to 13.4 billion shillings in 2012, while employee numbers have surged to 4,834. It is not immediately clear how many employees would be laid off, but KQ has already outsourced the air cabin crew staff function in a bid to manage its costs.